So we have vital life force flows vibrantly through me. I am grateful for my energetic passion for life. So napakaganda. Kasi magkakaroon ka dito siguro ng iba yung excitement. You're going to feel that drive. You're going to feel that passion, you know, about life, about the opportunities, no, na merong, alam mo, dumadating or pumapasok sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. Improve physical strength and vitality. Ayan, kasi baka ang iba sa inyo medyo sakitin siguro or mabilis kayong mapagod, mabilis kayong ma-stress, kaya iniimbitahan kayo dito na i-improve ninyo, gawa ninyo ng paraan na maging healthier kayo. Increase endurance and passion, activate productivity and self-motivation, increase enthusiasm and overall feelings of well-being. Ayan, so feeling ko dito, no, Sagittarius, baka may mga beses talaga na parang tinatamad kayo, you're a little under the weather, kasi nga, baka hindi kayo in good shape, no? Kaya maintain your good health. Nurture yourself, nurture your health, no? At if i-prioritize ninyo yung inyong well-being, okay? Para laging maganda ang inyong pakiramdam, you will be on top of your health lagi, 'di ba? Mas magiging productive ka kapag ganun. And by the way, maraming salamat, no, Sagittarius, for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And also, there is a join button po sa baba ng video. So, kung interesado kayo mag-join, mag-member sa channel, so, yun lang po ang i-click ninyo, no? So, thank you. So, meron kayong mga ikinakalungkot, dito. Meron kayong sadness na nararanasan or nafe-feel. There is also maybe frustration yan, something like that. And you know what? Feeling ko, feeling ko gawa yan ng energy na to. Kasi si Seven of Swords is an energy of liar, cheater, and stealer. So, baka recently, nagkaroon kayo ng experience na naloko kayo, nabudol kayo, or pinagsinungalingan kayo. Pwedeng ganun ang nangyari rito for some of you. Baka kaya kayo na-frustrate, no? Kasi kung sino man ito, maybe you were not expecting that person, no, na magagawa niya yan sa'yo. 'Di ba? Kung ano man yung inagaw niya sa'yo or kung ano man yung panlulokong ginawa niya sa'yo. So, ayun. Kaya, ayan, nalulungkot kayo. But, wag na kayo malungkot, no? Ibig sabihin lang niya na talagang, meant to happen, no? For you